If you want to plan a software, then what you can actually do is you can utilize Software Architect GPT as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto Explore GPT section right here, and then go around and type in Software Architect right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, you can see that Software Architect GPT is an option. So you simply need to go around and click right here, and then you need to go around and click on Start. So now I'm going to go around and say, help me make an e-commerce website right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, what happens is that it says, sure, I'd be happy to help you design. And now you can see that it helps you. Like, here are a couple of questions like background and purpose and core requirements. I'm just going to go around and say, just go with dummy data right here, just like this. And once I do that, it says all right, I'll go with some dummy data right here. And now you can see that this is what you have. So it comes with the specs of e-commerce website, and the aim of the project is to create robust and reliable website, as you can see right here. So this is how it adds in information. Then there's like requirements. The e-commerce website should have certain things right here and so forth. So it says, please review the drop and the background requirement, and if any changes are needed. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now give me the software process life cycle steps I need to follow. So I'm simply going to go around and then tell that, and it says here are software process life cycle that I can follow. Like, first of all, you can see that it says go for planning right here, then it says requirement analysis right here, design right here, just like this, implementation, testing, and then deployment, maintenance, and evaluation. And you can see that it provides it in the document format right here as well. Like, you can define the project scope, you can you can go around, go for backend development and so forth, as you can see right here. So this is how you can get information and documentation regarding the regarding some software project by using Software Architect GPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.